Okay, to begin adding subtitles to your video, you want to bring in your video clip and then you want to click above your video track and right click and then click add subtitle track. Now you want to position your playhead to where you want your first subtitle, so I'll put it there. Then you want to right click on your subtitle track and then click on add subtitle. That is going to add your subtitle. You can resize it however you want the length of it. So I'll just put it like that. Then I'll click on it, go into the inspector. If the inspector isn't showing, click on the inspector there at the top right hand corner. And then you can write out the text for your subtitle. So I'll just write starting the day, just like that. And now if I play this back, you'll see the subtitle is completely there. And if you want to change the way that subtitle looks, go here where it says style, and then you can change the color, you can change the size and everything about your subtitle. I'll just leave it like that for this example. To add a new subtitle, position your playhead to where you want the next subtitle to be, then go over to the caption tab and then click on add new. And then you'll have a new subtitle. You can put your text in there for your new subtitle and just repeat the process for the whole entire video. Now to export your video with your subtitles, you want to click on the deliver tab with the rocket. And then at the bottom it says subtitle settings. You want to click on that. And then you want to check this box that says export subtitles. And then you'll have three options here: as a separate file, and then burn into video. So if you don't want the captions to be turned on and off, select burn into video. And if you want them to be turned on and off, you can select as embedded captions. I'll select burn into video. Then you just need to add it to your render queue and then render your video with your subtitles. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more video editing tutorials.